Okay, so it sort of works. So you can draw something, then save it, and I need to make this go automatically, but then I can reload here, and it, so what I did here is that I set Photoline or Photoshop to the actual program window to be transparent. So let me just pause that recording and can show you. So you can see here I'm in layout, and then I switch back to Photoline or Photoshop, and so I'm basically just having an image projection through the camera in layout. Then I'm using that screen grab in Photoshop or Photoline so I can draw whatever I want. Now of course you can do that like this, or but I thought it would be interesting to actually see it real-time update. For example, a displacement map could be cool. So save that, go back here and reload. You'll see that. Okay, goes like that. So so let's activate that transparency so we can just see what's going on here. So that's an auto hotkey function. So now I can see that, hey, it looks kind of blurry. So actually here, you're not seeing LightWave now, you're actually seeing Photoline. Or Photoshop if that's what you would use. And I can just draw, save, and I'll have to use create a action script that actually goes back here and reloads, and then I can keep on drawing, save, go, reload, go back, draw, save, go back, reload, go back again. So if I make it go automatically, that could be interesting. Okay. Now let's see, because what I could do is that I could copy this one and could go to the object mode, do basically the same thing. So now I can see that I got a displacement map here instead. Okay. Maybe I should just turn on subpatch for that so you can see. So that's the interesting thing, that I can actually do that. So now I can kind of paint a displacement or instances on the ground. So just save, go back, reload, go back again. Can create a blur to this. Save. Yeah. So Actually, I don't need that in footer line. I could have just undone that, because in footer line I actually can add Gaussian blur filter. Can't do that in Photoshop, but I can in footer line. Okay, turn that off again. Okay, so let's see. So when I draw now, it will automatically blur in footer line. Should have done. Not sure why that didn't happen. Okay, wrong layer. Oh. I need to create a script for that. Anyway, it should work. I don't know. This could be quite time consuming, but again, it could work though. So there you go. So there's nothing special really. Nothing to it. I kind of forgot what I was going to do. Oh yeah, I was going to show you how this is set up. So what you do is that you actually this is just set up through, for example, color, and it's just set up like this: projection, front, and the image map, the screen grab that you made in layout. That's your camera view. This can be set to reset or off. You don't need this one. Basically just this one. Oops. This one. And you might want to use this one as well. It freezes the projection on frame 1. So what that means is that when the camera moves on, for example, frame 20, it will still be okay. The displacement will still be there. So I can now rotate my camera and the displacement will still be down here. If I turn that off, oh yeah, it doesn't look like it's doing anything here. If I turn that off, because this was, of course, the displacement, which is located here, so I'm kind of like messing that up. But leave that one on. To freeze it in projection in frame 0. That's basically it, and just choose your camera, the camera that you want to project from. In this case, I just made it my regular camera. Yeah, I don't know, I might look more into that later. Maybe, I don't know. It's kind of like a bad workaround.